Alright, so what we do here around these parts is we hit the Quan, then we open up these advent calendars, then we open up these presents, and then these advent calendars. And then we hit the Quan one last time to close it out.
I don't know what the Quan is.
You will see. Alright.
Let's open up
Now
number 13.
Now we're gonna open up
on
number
the
13.
nativity set
Yes.
for Precious Moments.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you, Precious Moments, for the free product.
And what are you doing? I can't believe it. We got another lamb.
Number 13, they gathered near their sheep and listened as the stars above still glistened.
Oh wow.
Is it happening? Is it happening?
Is it happening?
Is it supposed to be upright?
Oh, it's happening! It's happening! Keep going! Go, Chris! Go, Chris!
No, leave me alone.
Go! Go! You can do it!
Did you cancel him?
Gizmo. Yeah, Gizmo.
Oh no, he's gone. Micah.
Go! You can do it!
Over here.
Yeah.
Right here. Yes, good.
Wow.
Yeah.
Woo-wee.
He's flexing.
Come on, Gizmo, you can do it! You gotta keep clapping! Come on!
Woo!
Oh yeah, Micah.
And the
You
hour.
gotta get close, you gotta get close, you gotta tell him to keep going! Keep going!
Woo-wee.
Come on!
Yeah.
Micah said he's a goofy little
He
monster.
is adorable.
I want to see.
Look at his
Hold
little
on.
arms. Oh, wow.
What do you think?
He is so cute. Jonah, look at him.
Hug him, Micah.
He's freaky looking. Love him.
Micah, give big kisses.
Yeah, there's just a line of spit.
Oh.
That's pretty cute.
Pop open.
He's gonna pop open.
He did it. He's cute. Okay, number 11 just
That last shot that happened that you guys have already seen was in number 11. So now Micah has fully formed little guy. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up this snowman one. Precious Moments, thank you Precious Moments for the free product.
Number 13, 12 more days till Santa will come, but some gifts are early, like brother's new drum.
Bam, he's got a drum.
Okay, now we're gonna open up this jewelry advent calendar. Is it quite possibly Gizmo?
Gizmo pop open. Where's Gizmo?
It's right there.
It's on his back. He has a tail. He did it.
Thought I'd try and open it normally this time, but it didn't really work out.
He pop open. He pop open.
What is it? Is it a pretzel?
Micah, can you take him to your chair?
He gotta jump.
All right, today's is a Santa. Okay, I'm saving it well. Micah, get in your chair, please.
All right.
Oh, I forgot to put it on. I forgot to save it well.
Yeah, you didn't say the one at all.
Now it's time to do the makeup advent calendar. Whoops. Stand back, beast. Okay, this one is Mini Mega Matte Lips Matte Lip Color.
That's amazing. Lip color?
Yep.
Yay, Gizmo! Yay, Gizmo! Yay, Gizmo!
Micah, stay in your chair.
Jerky. So now I got jerky. Day number 13. Okay, we got honey bourbon beef strips, which Noah would really enjoy, but he's not here. Who wants some?
I do.
Yay.
Yay.
Josh and Noah.
He is a cute.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I feel like me being sick throws off the taste of it.
It tastes very similar to the other honey bourbon ones, but this time it is beef, so it's a little more chewy. And honestly, it's my favorite honey bourbon one so far.
I still like the gator ones the best.
All right, let's get into cheese now that we have tried that. Cheese is right here.
Micah, get in your chair.
It's Herb Gouda again.
Go do that in the other room.
Ooh, I do not care for the Herb Gouda.
Okay.
Okay, now moving on to the little donate one. This looks like a Cheeky Puff. And look at that. It is Alright, this is a Cheeky Puff. What these do is they put makeup on your skin.
This is from Moose. Thank you, Moose, for the free product. And now we're opening up this box that is labeled Teens. Whoa, Jonah, you don't want to damage the box under there.
Okay, we got It's Blunderful, a game where you, whatever it says. What does it say?
Wonderful. Betting on life's awkward situations.
Wow, that sounded very enthusiastic.
17 and up. I'm not allowed.
Emma can't even play it.
30 minutes. Party
It's
game.
also 4 to 8 people. We are not 4 to 8 people.
It's by Bicycle. Thank you, Bicycle, for the free product. Wow. Look at these cubes.
Emma, you can't play it.
You can't even touch the cubes, Emma.
Your neighbor's yard is an eyesore. Mow their lawn and curse their name while you do it. Send a formal complaint to the city. Suggest an annual block party. Block party tidy hint hint. What does that mean?
I don't know. You're not old enough.
You take a casual swig of your drink and it dribbles down your chin. Mop it up with your sleeve and hope no one notices. Give a side smile and shrug like the cutie you know you are. Use the tried and true hole in my chin joke. You're at the zoo and your kid asks about the weird thing the monkeys are doing. Tell the kid you will be back soon to see the baby's monkeys. The baby monkeys. Buy them a subscription of National Geographic. Tell them that they can only feed giraffes if you go now. Wow, this will be fun whenever Emma turns 17. You get in a war with a stranger over social media. Report them to the elusive social media authorities. Correct their grammar. Seriously, Ted, it's 2, not 2. Steven.
He's feeding him stuff.
Feeding him snowmen?
Why is a snowman mad?
Is that what Grismo eats? Snow people?
Merman, Dad. Oh, he's feeding the snowman. He's feeding him everything.
That's what Grismo eats. Snow people.
All right, bye-bye, Micah.
Bye-bye.
I love the cubes. I'm gonna eat them.
Ooh.
You see, it's 7.
I'm Jonah. You can't play it.
It's 17 and up because I'm gonna eat the cubes.
That was very disappointing, that mouthfeel of that cube.
16-year-old would definitely eat the cube.
I didn't. Jonah ate them immediately when he had them in his
Hey
hand.
man, they looked pretty tasty.
They do.
Alright, we already thanked them.
All right, that's it.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, and see you later, YouTubies.
I'm gonna go put this in the fridge.
Bye!
Micah, come show your guy and say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.